Hello again and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to get this neutral eye look. It's brown and bronze. It's a nice everyday look. The palette we'll be working with is this Younique Addiction Shadow Palette 4. It's got blues and silvers and browns and bronze. We'll be working on the left half of this palette today. So now if you're ready, let's get started. So the first thing we always want to do before we get started with eyeshadow is we're going to apply an eye primer. We're going to just apply this all over both of our lids, and this just gives us a nice neutral base to apply our makeup to, and it helps it blend better and stay a lot longer throughout the day. We're going to also set that with some setting powder. So now we're going to come in with our fluffy crease brush and we're going to get the color Arrogant. And we're going to apply that shade just above our crease in back and forth windshield wiper motions, just blending it in as we go. And once we've done that, we're going to come in with the deluxe brush and grab the shade Brave. And we'll be applying that to the outer third of the eye, just in that outer corner area. And then we of course just always want to be sure we're blending as we go. And now we're going to come in with the cream shadow brush and grab this color Secretive. I've gotten the brush slightly wet just to grab a little bit more pigment and make it pop a little bit brighter. And we're going to apply that color on that inner half or inner 2/3 of the lid. And here I'm going to come in with the angled shadow brush and I'm going to grab this color Tender. And we'll just be using that to highlight the inner corner as well as the brow bone. Alright, and now we are going to get started on the other side. And then just to finish off the look, I'm going to apply a dark brown eyeliner to both eyelids. And now this is the final look. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.